Hello, dear judges. Today, I'm glad to perform my project, Introduction of the SCARA robot for creating membranes based on layer-by-layer principle. The main goal of my work was to increase labor efficiency, which will reduce the time required for any type of researches. Also, it's important to say about issue of safety. My robot will help reduce the risks to the life of laboratory works. As objectives was chosen conduct and analysis of research area, concept and 3D model development, creating a flowchart of our process, and writing software and connecting it to the hardware. About relevance, many automatized system already exist for many types of chemical process, but not creating membranes. So my project will change the situation. Proof indeed of interdisciplinarity approach. My project involves many areas such as mathematics and physics to building a mathematical model to science, to computer science, to writing software. Few words about layer-by-layer principle. Layer-by-layer is thin films creating technique. Films are formed by dissipating oppositely charged materials with wash between. You can see the example, one of the structure in this work, usage of polyelectrolyte complex helped to increase energy to energy difference. Yeah. So flowchart of our process, first of all, we need to cut carbon fiber when isolated, coat one end with silver, when immerse the end with silver into hydrochloric acid solution. And now, automatized part, when we need put our end in different charged solution many times, usually from 8 to 32. This is a part what will be optimized. About mathematical model, first of all, you can see the z-axis looking. It's because it's easier to get final equipments of forward and inverse kinematics. You can see them on slide, and it's important to say that requirements was on base or software development. As equipment, we use our servo motors, motherboard Arduino, and 3D printer. You can see a printing process, for example. Robot connection diagram. You can see connection between motherboard and servo motors. So joint 1, joint 2, joint 3 in your methodical, you can see J1, J2 verification that connect with different axes. Some word about software development. You can see the interface, each button for each position in different solution. And then on the next window, you can set a number of interruptions and time of interruptions. As a result, you can see the working findings. Literature was studied, working prototype is ready for work, and software was written. In the future, we will upgrade our model and upgrade some feature like remote connection options. I think it's all. I'm ready to ask your questions.
Okay, it's on my side again. The question is, have you tried any, let's say, dummy sample to prepare like really put some sample, and then from point to point go and get some kind of like working prototype.
Without solution, only in air.
Yeah, but I mean, just the idea of grabbing some samples, not just like solutions, but just grabbing sample and then not super optimistic.
Thank you. So you presented quite a complicated project. Is manufacturing, programming. What exactly did you do?
Yes, thank you for the question. First of all, I did analyze of research area. I take part on concept and 3D model development. I created a flowchart, and I get some help with software because I'm not so good in programming, but I'm really approved by doing this project.
Thank you very much. I'm always wondering what was the level when you start to do the project of the, okay, you know, in 3D printing, you doing programming, you doing chemistry. What was your background?
When I firstly came into ITMO, I wasn't know anything about 3D model. I have like school level of programming, and also it's quite funny history that I really have no idea about chemistry when I met this place. So I think I did a great job to upgrade my levels of knowledge.
Great that you are satisfied. It's always good to see that people are satisfied. Thank you very much. And it's of course always great to see that mentor is wondering more than a student.